we have our own reporter Andira Putri standing by on the location.
All right, so Andira, tell us about what you have on the location.
Yes, Wibi and Rahma, right now I'm at Ancol area, North Jakarta, where behind me is the Carnaval Gate, which will take us to the Formula E circuit. So this circuit will be a host for an international event, which will take place on the 4th of June. Currently, the access is restricted as it's still under construction, so we couldn't go inside. But what we have seen so far is that the construction is still going on. And then there are a lot of activities, even it is Saturday, a lot of cars going in and out. And in fact, there are few citizens who go in front of it to take a look on what's happening inside. And like you mentioned before, what we know so far is that this construction have reached 87% development prior to its finish. And for the track itself, it's already at the last layer. And this one is delayed between 2 or 3 days from the initial schedule, which is at the end of March to the beginning of April, due to FIA review. So the FIA want to make sure that everything is still safe and to ensure the driver safety since they will go around this circuit. But aside from that, everything went well. And initially, the organizers were afraid because right now, like as you know, Jakarta is still in the middle of the rainy season, so they are afraid that the weather will affect the construction itself. However, fortunately, it didn't happen. And also for other developments, such as the spectators tribunes, barriers, and also the paddocks, it's still on schedule. It is expected to finish at the 1st of May. So everything will be on schedule, and the Formula E, we could watch it in the 4th of June. So another update come from the spectators itself. So the committee mentioned that the target capacity is around 10,000, and right now they are reviewing the flow of how the spectators will go inside and outside. Like you could see behind me, this one near the Ancol main street, and there are a lot of activities there, a lot of cars, a lot of trucks. So imagine like what will happen during the event itself, since a lot of spectators will go in. So right now, the committee want to make sure that everything goes well, everything is still under control, so there are not much traffic jam. As for the tickets, they are currently haven't tell us more details on what, when, and how much the price about it, and they will give more information when the circuit itself already finished. But for additional information, Jakarta is now back to emergency community activity restriction level 2, which means that for sports events, including this one, the spectators are allowed to 75% capacity, but still they are required to check in through Peduli Lindungi application and follow health protocols. And also for comparison, which will be a good insight, last week there is another international racing event, which is MotoGP in Mandalika, Lombok, West Nusa Tenggara, and at that time the spectators reached 60,000, and they are no longer required to show the swab PCR or antigen test as long as they have received the full dose of COVID-19 vaccination. This will be a great insight on what will happen to Formula E later, and we will give you further information about this. Back to the studio.
Thank you very much, Andira, for your report. Fingers crossed that we're going to get this done, because I can't wait to buy those tickets.